Hey everyone, welcome back. Today's quick tutorial is on how to create a landing page in WordPress for free. Whether you're launching a new product or building an email list, these steps relate perfectly to each other to get your page live without spending a dime. First, you need to choose a free theme. Go to your WordPress dashboard, navigate to Appearance, then Themes, and search for one optimized for landing pages. Once you find one you like, install and activate it. Next, you need to decide on your editor. You can use the default Gutenberg editor, which uses simple blocks, or install a free page builder plugin like Elementor or Landingi for more advanced design features. Just go to Plugins, click Add New, search for your chosen builder, and activate it. Just keep in mind that if you are on WordPress.com, you will need a specific plan to use external plugins. Now, let us create and customize the page. Go to Pages, click Add New, and title it something like Landing Page. If your theme allows it, switch to a full-width layout to give yourself a clean canvas. If you're using a builder like Elementor, you can just drag and drop headings, images, and buttons exactly where you want them. The next connected step is adding your essential elements. This is where you add your call to action buttons like sign up or download now. You should also embed a form using a plugin like WP Forms Lite or Contact Form 7 to capture leads. Do not forget to add high-quality images and social proof like testimonials or client logos to build trust with your visitors. Finally, once you're happy with the design, hit that Publish button. If you want this to be the first thing people see when they visit your site, go to Settings, then Reading, and set your new page as the static homepage. Make sure to monitor your performance with a tool like Google Analytics so you can see what's working. That is literally it. If this quick guide helps you launch your landing page, please smash that like button and subscribe for more straight-to-the-point tech tutorials. Drop a comment below if you want to see how to connect your new landing page to an email marketing tool next, and I will see you in the next video.